What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got two news stories for you, 0 questions. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below. #question. We'll answer it in tomorrow's video. Without further ado, let's jump into the news. First story has to do with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and what to expect potentially. And there's two interesting things that are coming out of Vietnam about this. So the Pulse over in Vietnam has a story saying the Galaxy Z Fold 5 uses a strange 4nm CPU and has an S Pen tray. It says Z Fold 5 promises to be the best folding screen smartphone in 2023 with a series of important improvements from hardware to software. So ultimately what they're saying is that, first of all, the processor should still be a Snapdragon. It sounds like, based off their rumor, it's gonna be some new customized Snapdragon 4nm processor. Maybe not like a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Maybe it'll be like an 8 Gen 2 Plus, or maybe even something completely different that it's called. Maybe that's to reduce the cost or performance or a little bit of both. I don't know. But we'll definitely keep our eyes peeled on that exact information. And then an S Pen tray would mean it literally either connects on the outside to your phone or goes inside of some sort. There's gonna seemingly be a tray. We've heard this before though, and it hasn't come true. I don't know. I can see them pushing this more and more and be like, okay, we are gonna come out with an S Pen tray. And then other parts I'm like, yeah, they're not gonna do it. So again, we'll keep our eyes peeled on this. Is very preliminary information. The next Fold 5 will not even be out until like August of 2023, and that's still about 8 months away from now. So interesting stuff, to say the least. Stuff that I think people want to see as well. Even if you don't use the S Pen, just to have it housed inside of the phone would be a good thing. And then also remember, the Z Fold 5 is supposed to be a lot lighter in weight versus the Z Fold 4. And our last story of the day has to do with the S23 Ultra and some nice improvements that are coming that we kind of didn't really know about. So, and I think these are going to be more reasons to potentially upgrade to this phone. So here's the tweet from Ice Universe saying, the S23 Ultra noteworthy details have been improved. Speaker sound quality has been improved, especially the bass has been improved. So I always felt like, you know, speakers are pretty good, but I've always personally liked the speakers a little bit more on the iPhone, for instance, especially the bass. So it's nice to see them improving the bass on the S23 Ultra. Focus problem is no longer a problem on the S23 Ultra. I haven't had a focus problem on an S20 Ultra phone since the regular 20. 21, 22 have been pretty good for me in terms of focus, so I'm happy with that. But still, if you're improving it, that's all good. Excellent anti-shake, meaning the optical image stabilization and the stabilization overall with video has been much improved. We heard about that one, so it's not that big of a difference. Excellent microphone. So the microphone has also been improved on the S23 Ultra. Again, another good thing to have on there. They already have pretty good microphones, but if you can improve it that much more, why not? I am all for it. So your question of the day is there anything on the S23 Ultra that you wanted to see improved versus not? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, I think it would probably end up being the fast charging and the battery life overall. I want my battery to last 2 days, I'd be happy with. But if you can't do that, then give me much faster charging. But let me know what you guys, thanks for watching, have a great day. And camera, actually, I want to take better photos, especially of people. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.